Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Soap is a staple in many diets worldwide, offering warmth, comfort, and a variety of flavors. However, not all soaps are created equal, especially regarding their impact on kidney health. Certain types of soaps, if consumed excessively or prepared improperly, can harm the kidneys. This video will explore 3 types of soap that can negatively affect your kidney health. Now let us see what types of soaps these are. 1. Hot pot soap. Hot pot soap is a popular dish in many cultures, especially in Asian countries. It involves cooking a variety of ingredients such as meats, seafood, and vegetables in a communal pot of simmering broth. While delicious, hot pot soap can be harmful to the kidneys due to its high purine content. Purines, found in abundance in meats and seafood, are broken down into uric acid in the body. Excessive uric acid can lead to the formation of kidney stones and gout, both of which place a significant burden on kidney function. Moreover, hot pot broth is often reused and reheated multiple times, concentrating the purine content further. To mitigate these risks, it is advisable to limit the consumption of high purine ingredients and to use fresh broth for each meal. 2. Soaps with excess salt. Salt is a common ingredient used to enhance the flavor of soaps. However, high salt diets are a major risk factor for hypertension, high blood pressure, which is closely linked to kidney disease. The kidneys are responsible for filtering excess sodium from the bloodstream. When there is too much sodium, the kidneys have to work harder, which can lead to decreased kidney function over time. Additionally, high salt intake can lead to fluid retention, further increasing blood pressure and straining the kidneys. To protect kidney health, it is important to limit the amount of salt added to soaps and to use herbs and spices as alternative flavor enhancers. 3. Soups boiled for too long. While slow-cooked soaps can be rich in flavor, boiling soaps for too long can have detrimental effects on kidney health. Prolonged cooking times can lead to the dissolution of high levels of purines from meat and bones into the broth. As with hot pot soap, these purines are metabolized into uric acid, increasing the risk of kidney stones and gout. Additionally, long boiling times can release harmful substances like creatinine and creatine, which can be toxic to the kidneys in high concentrations. To reduce these risks, it is recommended to limit the cooking time of meat-based soaps to under 2 hours. While soaps can be a nutritious and comforting part of the diet, it is important to be aware of their potential risks to kidney health. By making mindful choices about the ingredients and cooking methods used in soaps, we can enjoy their benefits while protecting our kidneys. Moderation, fresh ingredients, and balanced seasoning are key to ensuring that soaps remain a healthy addition to our diets. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell button for more videos of mine. Thank you.